Hello mga katsararat and welcome again sa aking channel. So for today's video, ayan, so i-share ko lang sa inyo ito, itong nabili ko during the 3-3 sale. And ayun, so actually yung 3-3 sale is from March 2 to 7. So ayan, so I'm planning to buy a new tablet kasi which is this Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. So I think this is the cheapest 5G na tablet available for Samsung. So kung makikita nyo yun yung price niya. Naka-last flash shot today. Ayan. But originally, ang price niya is 18,990. Ayan. So, and ayun, so inabangan ko siya because BDO is giving away a 2,000 voucher or promotion, 'di ba, for your purchases. So yun lagi talaga inabangan ko. Kaya lang hindi na pala stackable ngayon ang voucher ni Lazada. So I got this for ito yung price niya. So ito yung price niya before 14,860. Then may free siya na travel adapter. So for this purchase, I got this for 12,269.70. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. So, meron siya diyang voucher, yung 2,000 na voucher. Ayan. So, I thought that was the cheapest. So, nakalagay it will be delivered daw the next day. So, one day lang siya. So, when I checked the order yesterday, kasi chinecheck ko yung status niya. So, bago ako matulog, around 11 a.m., bumaba pa siya. So, eto siya. If you can see here, there's a second purchase. Ayan. But it's in silver color. The original one is in gray. So, the silver one, so naging 11,070 na lang siya. Then, meron siyang na-apply na promotion. So, nakuha ko siya ng 9,346. The good thing is, pwede ko pang i-cancel tong isa. So, na-cancel ko tong isa, then I repurchase this. So, I'm just wondering or I'm worried kasi mamaya, error na naman siya on the seller side kasi I had a purchase last week na ganun yung nangyari. So, error daw with the pricing. So, the seller canceled the transaction. So, sabi ko, hala, mamaya makancel to. But when I check it, nung pagkagising ko, in transit na siya. So, 'di ba? So, legit siya. So, ayun. So, get by March 7. So, bukas na 'yan. So, hopefully, makita natin kung legit talaga. Ang wino-worry ko din kasi mamaya ang ibigay sa akin yung price nung Wi-Fi version because the Wi-Fi version is 9,570 yan, oh. 'Di ba? So ayun. So and ang nakuha ko kasi na product is the last one for the silver. Kung makikita nyo yan kasi dito, ayan kung i-check nyo, ayan. So sold out na kasi siya. So nakuha ko yung pinaka last na piece for the silver na 5G. So yun, so in transit siya, so I'll get it tomorrow. So try natin siya unbox and tingnan natin kung legit talaga. So excited na rin naman ako kasi tagal ko rin itong pinagplanuhan kung bibili ba ako o hindi. Since I have my Lenovo na before, but I think I need to upgrade na rin. And I think this one is good kasi 5G na siya. So I can also use it as a phone. Diba? So, ayun lang. So, abangan natin tomorrow. Ay, ayun, pakita rin natin yung promotion na na-apply dito. Ayan. So, actually, for this one, na ano lang eh. Yung 1,200 na Lazada voucher. But I also got a shop voucher, 500. Then, yung naka-apply din yung coins. And nakakuha tayo ng free shipping. So, this is really a good deal. So, yun. So, abangan na lang natin tomorrow kung talaga bang makukuha natin itong Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus na 5G version. Alright, so good luck tomorrow.
One eternity later.
So ito na siya guys. So open na natin. Ayan. So we have here yung free na adapter. 25 watts power adapter. Ayan, so naka-sealed naman siya. And we have here the actual tablet. Ayan. So guys, makikita nyo. Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. 'Di ba? So legit, guys. So I'm so happy. Ang saya-saya ko, 'di ba? Imagine nakuha lang natin siya for 9,000 something. 9,400, 'di ba? So ayun. So tignan lang natin. So yan, do not accept if seal is broken. Right. So nakalagay naman dito, ayan, silver and 8 GB 128. Ayan. So made in China. So yan. So open natin. Oops, ayan na. Okay. So ito yung pinaka-box niya. So what we have here is the USB Type C to Type C na cord. Then we have here the quick start guide. We have here the Samsung Care. Ayan. Plan for the unplanned with extended coverage. And we also have here the SIM card ejector. Ayan. So wala na. Yun lang. Yun lang yung kanyang laman. Wala na. So ayun. Then we have here the tab itself. Ayan. Wow. So ito yung silver. So we have the Samsung brand name here. Then the camera. So we have here, I think this is the SIM tray. Then the microphone. Then yung magnetic keyholes. Then the speakers. So yan. So they have two at the top and two at the bottom. Microphone as well. Then the USB Type C port. I'm sorry, this is the microphone pala. So this is not the one. Then we have here the volume and the power button. Yan. So this is so yun, I think this is made of aluminum, this one, this part. Then this part naman is made of plastic. So ayan. So nakalagay din naman yung kanyang IM, I think it's IM, ano ba? Hindi ko mabasa. Masyado maliit. IMD number? IMEI, yun. So may IMEI siya dito sa baba. So ayan, so far okay naman siya. So I'm going to set it up first. So I'm really happy with this purchase kasi sobrang laki ng natipid and na-save ko for this tablet, 'di ba? So ayun lang guys. So by the way, nakuha ko rin to using Shopback. So kung wala pa rin kayong Shopback, install yun na yan. So you'll get instant rebate when you purchase with your favorite online store. And kung hindi pa rin kayo nakasubscribe sa akin sa channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. And you can also share it with your friends. And kung nagustuhan nyo ito, pa-like na rin din. And again, thank you for watching and for joining me for this purchase for the 3-3 sale sa Lazada. So ayun, so explore ko muna yung aking bagong tablet and you enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!